this is Jake and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be picking up my new DJI Pocket 3, which I'll be using for my content soon. Today is a very sunny day. It's around 26 degrees Celsius. And yeah, I'm on my way now to World Square. I am actually filming my video using my iPhone Pro Max. And let's see how's the quality gonna be, because I just got this phone last month and I have not really used the camera. Let's go. Yes, chef. Now I got back home. I'm here to unbox this Osmo Pocket 3 that I just picked up earlier. And this is not a sponsored video, just to let you know. And I have no idea about the specs about this camera. I've been waiting for this Osmo Pocket 3 for a long time because of one thing. It's the 1-inch sensor. For me, that's what I've been waiting for. Longer battery life. There's a bigger screen on the Pocket 3. For me, it's a good deal and it's very compact. Okay, let's unbox this Pocket 3. This is our DJI, and I don't have any tripod with me, so I tried to do my best. So this is the receipt of the SD card I just bought. Here it is. I just Google what's the compatible memory card for my DJI, and this was the one that came out. I hope I made the right choice. Let's put this one away. Pocket 3. And this is your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Alright, now let's do the unboxing. So this is the start guide, which I really don't read. What else see inside? That's it. And then on this one, take the case for DJI protective cover. So you can see here that there's a attachment where you can put your filter if you bought one. Now let's go on the package here. So let's open it up. Open it up. So first, battery. Oh, I like the cover, the plastic. It's like a matte finish plastic. Alright, so I think this one goes at the bottom of the camera. So I guess this is the tripod. So yeah, so we can like put it somewhere on a flat surface, then while you're eating or you're doing a vlogging fast track. I really like this, and it fits everything in one bag. This is, I don't know, I actually don't know what's this one. Anyway, put this on the side. This is the dead cat for the microphone. Put this way. And I'm pretty sure this is the wrist strap for the camera. We've got a Type C to Type C cable. This is the microphone. I think this one goes somewhere here. Yep, right here. So you can get more clear audio on a windy situation. Of course, the one that we've been waiting for is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is the joystick, this is the record button, this is the rotating screen. Let's try to flip it. It automatically turns on. We select English. So I need to update this firmware. So I'm just gonna turn it off, shut it down, and yeah. At the moment, now it's recording at 4K 60 at 60 FPS. It's still automatically detecting my face, and let's see if I can tilt this one up. Yeah, it does tilt, but it just like doesn't go anywhere because it detects my face. And now I just click the joystick to deactivate the face detection, and yeah. So I'll try to make a short video clip here using this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and yeah, really happy about this camera, and I hope I'll make a lot of content with this one.